With Freebeat AI's music video generator, you can turn any song into an epic AI music video with just a few clicks. Simply upload a song or add a link from platforms like Suno, YouTube, or Spotify, and Freebeat AI will analyze the tempo to auto-generate a fully synced music video that matches your song's vibe. This is a game changer for indie artists, musicians, and content creators that want to show off their music with cool visuals. So let's head over to Freebeat AI and go over how to create viral videos for your music. To access Freebeat AI and follow along, go ahead and scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the video description. So here's the Freebeat AI homepage. To access the music video generator, let's start by going to the Creative Agents tab at the top. Then click the Music to Music Video option. And this should take us over to the music video generator. To add your song, simply paste in a link from SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, or any of the other platforms you see here. Or if your song is on your computer, you can simply upload it from your device. Once your song finishes uploading, you'll see a timeline here where you can select the part of the song you want to create the video for. You can either select a part of the song that's at least 10 seconds long, or even select the entire song if you like as well. For this example, let's just do a 30-second clip. And to preview your selected clip, simply click the play button on the right-hand side. And once you select the part of the song that you want to create a music video for, you can then go down and select the type of video you want to create. We can generate a standard music video, a dance video, or a lyrics video. For this example, let's just select to create a music video. And this will open up a menu where we can select our video settings. At the top, you can select the AI model you want to use. We can use the fast model on Freebeat AI, or select the custom tab to select from tons of other AI models. This includes models like Runway, Luna, Sora, VO 3.1, and many others. But for this demonstration, let's just go with the fast model. In the next section here, we can use the text field to describe the type of video that we want to generate. You can be as detailed as you like, or just simply type in "make a music video for this song." For my music video, let's see if we can have it set inside a modern nightclub. And underneath the text field, you can also select your aspect ratio and see the video resolution. And if you have a paid Freebeat AI account, you can use the option here to remove the watermark from the video. If you want to check out their various plans, you can scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the video description. And once you add your prompt and select your video settings, go ahead and go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze your song and settings and start generating your music video. Depending on the length of your song, this could take several minutes. But once it's finished, your new music video will be available in your library here. We can now select it to open it up in the scene editor. Here's where we can preview our music video and even edit and regenerate the scenes if we like as well. So let's preview my music video and see how it turned out. Wow, I think my nightclub video turned out great. If you like, feel free to edit any of your prompts and regenerate your scenes. But once you're ready, go ahead and go down to the bottom here and click the download button. And your new music video will be downloaded to your device, and you can share it on social media, your website, or wherever else you like. With Freebeat AI, now anyone can create a high quality music video fast without needing any editing skills. To try it yourself, scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.